Good evening, Professor Garrett. My name is John James. This is my critical assignment professional career presentation. The educational requirements for what I want to do is strength and conditioning coach. For that, you need a degree in kinesiology, athletic training, or exercise science. The certifications I would get would be from National Strength and Conditioning Association and Certified Strength and Conditioning Specialist offered by the NSCA. I would also go to seminars to further my education and be the most qualified for any potential job that I might be able to pursue. The barriers of entry, as far as for this particular career, is number one is competitive. The pay is low, the hours are long, and in a lot of cases people lack experience, so they have to take jobs that they may not necessarily want to take in the beginning, which might require them to move out of state. The current trends that I'm seeing in this profession, if you are a strength and conditioning coach or trying to be one, it's observing other programs, exchanging information with more seasoned coaches. Preferably if you can find a mentorship of some sort. Obviously, interning would be great, and just following current trends on the internet and staying abreast of any new developing trends. My qualifications upon graduation, hopefully I'll have a 3.5 or higher, and certifications from NASM and NCSA and CSCS, and multiple internships under my belt by the time I graduate, and doing volunteer work. I already have some experience in training athletes. I was assistant coach for a while and trained athletes at my local gym. I own a Vertimax and pretty much experimented on my son for several years, doing it with quite a bit of success. He increased his vertical, but again, he didn't want to really pursue it, so I was kind of limited as far as my findings go. I'd make a good fit because I understand athletes very well. I played sports in high school. I ran track. I played basketball all the time. I've been in various leagues, coached. And again, it's one of those things where if you understand the mindset of an athlete, why they do what they do, what the thinking is when they get injured, knowing how to maintain a high level of performance at any given time of the year, not just at practice, not just being a game player, but a good practice player, how you approach your training. I have experience in dealing with multiple backgrounds. I used to be a deputy for a few years, so I've dealt with several kinds of people from all type of economic backgrounds, and that's what kind of qualifies me to where I think I can speak to just about anybody. As far as areas of improvement to make myself more marketable, I think by keeping myself overall fit, increasing my knowledge, like I stated earlier, and following current developing trends, hopefully cutting edge trends, things that nobody else is doing that kind of separates me from everybody else, and also learning to speak Spanish fluently or whatever. I think learning multiple languages kind of helps because you never know where you might end up, whether it be in another country. I think you should just have kind of a couple of languages under your belt if you can. It just makes you that much more marketable. But being in California, Spanish is obviously a plus here. So that would be my main focus, just getting fluent in Spanish. All right, sir, that concludes my video. Thank you for your time.